Ma, anong ulam? Tara, luto tayo ng pininyahang manok. In a pan, melt butter. Then, saute garlic and onion. And then, add the chicken and sear it. Season it with pepper and fish sauce. And continue to saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, I add the pineapple tidbit syrup. Add the pineapple tidbits, cheese, a little bit of sugar, and of course, magic sarap. Baka naman! And let it simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes. There you have it. Okay na to. Luto na. You have pininyahang manok. Enjoy!